Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be unboxing, setting up, and reviewing the Arenti AInanny Baby Monitor. I am so excited to set this thing up. I love that this one comes with a screen. We're currently using a Wi-Fi baby monitor that only goes on my phone, and it makes it extremely difficult when we have family in town and they need a baby monitor. And it's just easier to hand them the screen and say, here you go, thank you so much for watching our kiddos. So, this is a smart baby monitor. It has a lot of different features. I'm gonna go over all of the features that it has. We're gonna set it up and we're gonna see how it works. So let's get into this. So this is the monitor that I was talking about, screen that you can just hand off to your babysitter. My husband won't have an excuse anymore for not having the app on his phone. He'll have this in the house. If you hear baby babbles, my daughter Aubrey Ryan is down here playing. Okay, we've got all of the cords. First impressions of the monitor is it looks like a pretty typical monitor. It is on the smaller side. It's smaller than the size of my hand, so it's going to be very discreet in the baby's room. And I do love that it comes with these little bunny ears that you can put on. These are so cute. It makes it like cute in the baby's room.